It is a beautiful night in Boston, Massachusetts, and I am standing in front of a monument dedicated to Samuel Adams, one of our nation's founders. And this monument is right in front of what is known as Faneuil Hall. And I have a hard time pronouncing that. It's F-A-N-E-U-I-L. And Faneuil Hall, located near the waterfront in today's Government Center in Boston, has been a marketplace and meeting hall since 1743. It was the site of several speeches by Samuel Adams, James Otis, and others encouraging independence from Great Britain. Now it's part of Boston's National Historical Park and a well-known stop on the Freedom Trail. So there you have it, Faneuil Hall. And I'm going to walk through the hall here and then also through some of the other parts around the hall, which would be the different marketplaces. And then off over here you can hear the noise, a street performer going on over there. So, I don't really know much about this. Is the visitor center and retail shops inside Faneuil Hall. It's quite amazing to be walking through places as historic in the country's history as this is, Faneuil Hall.
Don't leave me. I'm going to leave you. I'm going to sit right here.
Hoping that I can find some good Boston clam chowder while I'm in the city here. And here we got another street. So I found my way over to, you've got Quincy Market, and then you have North Market. And then over here you have South Market. So I'm just going to kind of take a walk through these market areas so you can get a feel for what it's like if you were here in Boston yourself. It's my first visit to Boston, and it's a rather nice city. People are enjoying a nice dinner. Here is a bar called Cheers at Faneuil Hall Marketplace. Earlier today I was actually at the actual bar that was the inspiration for the TV show Cheers. Not too far from where I'm walking right now is the waterfront here in Boston. All types of stores and restaurants. Folks here playing chess. Never learned how to play chess with the timers. Those of you that have been following my videos know that my father, who passed away recently, he and I used to play chess quite a bit. It'd be interesting to know who got the better of who over the years. We were rather quite competitively matched with one another. don't know that the video really needs all that much narration. I'd imagine that they have quite a nightlife down in this part of Boston. Still yet to see the famous Faneuil Park here in Boston. One of the more historic ballparks in the United States. Here is the entrance to Quincy Market. And it reminds me of walking into the market in Krakow, Poland, where I found myself a couple months ago. We've got Japanese food. They use the word wicked quite a bit here in Boston. They'll say you're wicked smart. We got the homemade chowders up there. You get a Philadelphia sandwich here in Boston. Quincy Hall is primarily food. It's all food here. Performance going on over here. Playing the piano. See those pianos spread out in various cities like Boston around the world, where people can just sit down and start playing to the entertainment of the crowd. This is Quincy Market. This would be the North Market building here. Here is a shot of the rear of Faneuil Hall. Good shot of Boston there.
I'm waiting to go. I've gotten so far, my dear. Look, shall we go?
Really is a wonderful city.
Stay with you till we're afraid of no. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Come on. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you the most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise till death till we part, just like our vows. So I wrote this song for you, and now everybody knows it's just you and me until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Come on. Just say you won't let go.
Hope you enjoyed this tour of Faneuil Hall and Quincy, North and South Market in Boston on a beautiful night.